In March 1932, tragedy struck when the Bogwalk Bridge, later known as Flat Bridge, collapsed. While tearing down this old bridge, 7 Public Works Department workers fell into the River Cobre River. The fatality of this incident was just one of the many that has been associated with Flat Bridge. It is presumed that the bridge was built in 1724 as slaves from 16 plantations in Bogwalk labored under harsh conditions. The long journey, popularly known as the 16-mile walk, was only the beginning of the slaves' hardships. At the site, many slaves' lives were lost in the very dangerous process of digging gravel, lime, sand, stone, and marl under unsatisfactory conditions. Including the repairs that ended terribly in 1932 for the Public Works Department workers, other efforts has been made by the department to fix the bridge that has been destroyed at different times by the raging waters of the mighty River Cobre that has risen and flooded the bridge. Although during flooding, this causes motorists to use the long, tedious route through the mountains, some may still dare to drive on the bridge with no consideration for the dangers that they may face. The bridge now facilitates a single-lane traffic, which is managed by traffic lights. In addition, men who hang around the area and are familiar with the River Cobre will bravely dive into the river to pull those in need out of sinking vehicles and guide them to safety. But this does not prevent the fear of many when driving over the bridge. The reflooring of the iron girders and buckle plates, coupled with its support with 2 piers and 2 abutments, are still not enough to prevent concerns of those who are familiar with the many horror stories of accidents, vehicles plunging into the river, and ghost tales. Today, motorists are able to bypass the historic Flat Bridge with the north-south link of Highway 2000. Yet, many still must drive over one of the oldest bridges in Jamaica that crosses the misleading calm River Cobre.